Hello everyone, today we are going to introduce a Raspberry Pi 5 robot car to you. ROS Pi 5 may be the first robot car equipped with Raspberry Pi 5. So what are its impressive features? Now let us open its packaging box. It can be seen that the chassis of the factory robot is assembled. The bottom is equipped with 4 metal motors and a built-in Hall encoder, which can achieve high precision feedback control of the speed and position of the robot car. And the aluminum alloy frame adopts a unique closed cabin design. It is equipped with an ROS2 Lidar, using TOF ranging method, resisting strong light irradiation of 30K lux, supporting indoor and outdoor mapping navigation, measuring radius up to 12 meters. It also includes a ROS robot control board, which integrates important peripherals such as the ESP32S3 core module control unit, motor drive, servo drive, and 6-axis IMU attitude sensor. Supports communication functions such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, serial port, supports 4-channel encoder motors, 2-channel PWM servos, 1-channel LiDAR, and 1-channel PD power supply for Raspberry Pi 5. Comes with an external driver firmware program that can be directly connected to the ROS2 environment. This to DOF camera PTZ. It is equipped with a USB HD camera and 2 metal servos, supporting 2D DOF motion tracking in both horizontal and vertical directions, making it convenient for AI visual depth development applications. Here are some connecting wires and screw copper column packages. This is a 2.4GS wireless remote control handle that can be used to control the robot car. This is a battery board. Here is Raspberry Pi 5 and an active cooling fan. This is 7.4V2000 mAh battery. Screw copper column package. Card reader and 64GB memory card. This is the decorative sticker we provided. This is the antenna and the front anti-collision cordon. Next, let's assemble it. Now we have assembled it. Let's experience the exciting features of Raspberry Pi 5 robot car together. This robot car supports up divided by handle divided by keyboard control. It also supports many interesting features. Yabun provides excellent tutorials and open source code for the ROS Pi 5 robot car, helping users easily learn ROS and robotics technology. ROS Pi 5 car can complete QR codes, barcodes, or codes, and accurately recognize facial expressions, body postures, and even finger joint movements. By combining visual recognition with car movements, it achieves AI visual interaction functions. For example, by flexibly rotating the camera PTZ, specific color targets can be locked up. In addition, it can also perform visual tracking, accurately calculate the coordinates of the color block center point, and combine with PID algorithm to determine in real time whether the robot movement. With the MediaPipe machine learning framework, users can control the motion status of the car through gestures or palms. It can also use Lidar to achieve functions such as mapping navigation, obstacle avoidance, patrol, following, and even achieve multi-machine synchronous control. We also provide theoretical courses for developers, from basic Linux operations to Docker development environment configuration, to in-depth explanations of our ROS2 architecture, communication and node programming, and then extending to micro-ROS application development on embedded platforms and ESP32 basics. It helps users master robot development technology. What is the difference between the micro-ROS Pi 5 car and the micro-ROS robot virtual machine car? VM version, Pi 5 version. In terms of hardware, micro-ROS Pi 5 car has more Raspberry Pi 5 board, 2DOF camera PTZ, handle and anti-collision buffer design than the version. In terms of function, it has AI visual recognition interactive functions, and includes in-depth practical tutorials for Raspberry Pi 5. The virtual machine version is suitable for low-cost entry-level practice with our ROS2 robots. micro-ROS Pi 5 version has more comprehensive hardware configuration and advanced vision functions, suitable for Raspberry Pi 5 enthusiasts and users who want to learn more about vision processing and robotic applications. In general, the micro-ROS Pi 5 robot car integrates to Raspberry Pi 5 as the main control unit, and is equipped with MS200 TOF Lidar, 2DOF camera PTZ, and metal motor, which can realize AI visual recognition and interaction, Lidar tracking and obstacle avoidance, 3D mapping navigation, and so on. In addition, we also provide a series of theoretical courses covering the Raspberry Pi System Basic Settings course, Linux Operating System Basic course, Docker course, our ROS2 basic courses, as well as the ESP32 basic course and micro-ROS practical applications on embedded platforms. These courses not only provide an in-depth explanation of the use of the Raspberry Pi 5 operating system and visual system development, but also cover our ROS2 system development knowledge and the hardware driver process. Help developers to learning robot technology based on the Raspberry Pi 5.